Okay, congratulations. You're just minutes away from crafting the perfect affiliate bonus page for your next promotion. Before you move on, we'd like to know if you want to have customers lining up, practically begging you to take their money. How? By tapping into the sheer power of the Commission Gorilla version 2 Pro upgrade. Now, don't get me wrong, Commission Gorilla version 2 works great on its own. But if you're truly serious about taking your affiliate marketing to the next level, then you want to have as many tools in your arsenal as possible. The kind of tools that puts the odds of success in your favor even more than normal. And when you add the power of these pro features, you're going to take your affiliate promotions into a whole nother stratosphere. Now, nothing produces more sales like adding scarcity to an offer. And simply put, these 4 powerful features will help take Commission Gorilla version 2 into overdrive. Here's what you're about to unlock in the next few minutes. Number 1, the ability to add countdown timers to your pages. By limiting the time your bonus is available, you're encouraging your visitors to take action right away, or they risk missing out on a great deal. You can use date-specific or evergreen timers on all your pages with just a few clicks and choose to automatically redirect visitors to any other page when the countdown expires, or simply reset the countdown to start again. This is perfect for product launches and works great for set and forget time-sensitive offers. Number 2, add attention bars to your pages. Adding a new bar to your page is simple and is a truly effective way to grab your visitors' attention. Set them to display at the top of your page, change the colors and fonts, or even add a time delay. It's totally up to you. Use your attention bars to highlight a bonus, remind visitors about deadlines, link to demos or videos. You could even use them to link to other promotions or lead capture pages. Number 3, add exit pop-ups to your pages. Our own testing reveals 50 to 70% of web traffic will simply leave no matter how good your bonus is. But with exit redirects, you get the power to recycle this wasted traffic. Send leaving visitors directly to the offer page via your affiliate link. It can easily save a sale. Or you can send visitors to a squeeze page to build your list. You can even show another bonus offer. And number 4, get unlimited Commission Gorilla pages. Okay, sure, for the hobby type affiliate marketer, 20 pages may be enough. But if you're serious about building a true affiliate business, then that means you're a pro. And since you're a pro, you'll want to have access to unlimited pages because you'll want to cash in on unlimited promotions. It doesn't matter if you want to create 100 or 1,000, the choice is yours. And you'll even unlock the ability to export as many Commission Gorilla pages as you like. And number 5, download pages and host them on your own domain. With this option, you'll have more control over your Commission Gorilla version 2 Pro pages. Not only will you be able to host them on any domain you own, but you can also add your own custom code to your pages by using the custom code function built into Commission Gorilla as well. Plus, you'll be able to remove the Powered by Branding option so you can have total control of your pages. Plus, we're going to load up your bonuses even more with our Affiliate Gorilla Gold video training, our Traffic Rampage Gold Edition, which also includes the Silver Edition, and 100 royalty-free images, all of which you can see the details below this video. So, are you ready to upgrade? Okay, great. Here's how to get started. Click the button below to add this to your order. Then you'll not only start building out affiliate promotional pages fast, but you'll have them souped up like a Formula One car on tons of nitro. So don't delay on this offer. It's only for a limited time and the special pricing could be removed very soon. Go ahead and get access now.